My dearest brothers and sisters, it's my pleasure to be sharing some alive organic ideas with you today. And we're going to exemplify life in these times with an alive organic apple pie with avocado, of course, no bake, and raw. And we begin, as we do in so many of our recipes, by making almond milk. And we take we're going to add a cup of spring water to a blender. And a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. Nothing like it. It's made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. They have something like 500 acres now and 70,000 almond trees, if you could relate to that. The almonds have been blooming for the last couple of weeks, and the entirety of the Central Valley is etheric. It is, imagine miles upon miles upon miles of blossoms. A privilege to be there indeed. And it shows you that despite everything, there is so much hope, there is so much aliveness at the grassroots. Intentionality matters. So here we're going to put a heaping tablespoon of alive organic almond butter, and we are going to blend. And as you see, it's flashed into almond milk. Imagine, it's too easy. The problem with it is that it's too easy to make, and you will agree it's so much fresher than what you buy on a store shelf, which may have been there since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So now we're going to be adding some chia seeds. We add chia seeds to most everything we eat. This is a Native American food, and let's add 2 tablespoons and let's give that a blend. Okay. And now we're going to be adding some rolled oats. We're going to be adding 2 cups of rolled oats, organic, of course. And let's give this another blend. And now, an avocado. Here we go. And let's give it a blend. Okay. And now, you guess it, this is an opal apple from state of Washington. And let's let's add the second apple. Okay. And now for some fun ingredients, I'm going to add a handful of our alive organic flame raisins. We're going to do a bit of vanilla powder, let's say half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A teaspoon of our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Salt always brings out the flavor of ingredients. And then, but of course, our Hawaiian native forest honey. And let's say a sprinkling of our Vermont maple syrup. So let's give this a blend. So it looks like we've done it, and now we're going to, in a pie dish, I have lined it with a no-stick parchment liner, and we're going to and here we have it. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. And now, for the fun part, we're going to top it with our California walnuts grown by family farmer, of course. So here are walnuts, and we're going to top it with our flame raisins, sun-dried, of course, here in California. And then, what about pitted medjool dates, also grown right here in the Southland of this great state? So, sliced and pitted medjool dates. Mhm. So, here we have it. An alive, organic, no-bake avocado apple pie. And we've created one. So take this, put this in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or put it overnight in the refrigerator. It will give the chance for the chia seeds to set and bind it all together, and you'll have something wondrous. Here's an apple pie, avocado apple pie we made ahead of time. It's been in the freezer overnight. So let's give this a slice. Mm-hmm. Here we have it. No-bake avocado apple pie. So very, very necessary in these times. In these times of bank failures, of cryptocurrency, of all kinds of expenditures that could be so much more focused and so much more enlivening. So let me leave you with a thought, brothers and sisters. We talk a lot about edible schoolyards here. We talk a lot about food forests in public park. Let us go beyond this. We can do it. We can restore the Great Plains. We can bring back the buffalo. We can recreate Hetch Hetchy, the most beautiful valley just north of Yosemite. We can do it. Let us go on from edible schoolyards to a Garden of Eden in every school. Our children deserve it. Let us go forward. We have reached a stage where we can do anything that we choose to focus our minds upon. Thank you, brothers and sisters. It has been my privilege to share with you. Please write your comments down below. Visit our website. We'd love to hear from you. My privilege. Thank you.